I greet everyone. The information and analytical service is in touch with you System.Guru.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. If necessary, you can stop the video. You can look at each company parameter more closely. Now we will look at the main indicators of the corporation. VINCI Partners Investments, ticker VINP. This review is based on current information as of May 26, 2025. According to Classification Guru.Markets company VINCI Partners Investments LTD belongs to the subcategory Alternative Investments. 27 companies are involved in the analysis, which is quite representative. We will see the final decisions by the end of this video. The company's score is 7 out of 10. The average score for the subcategory is 1.5 points. If you look broadly, within the stock market as a whole, note that the average score for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against the company's score of 7 VINCI Partners Investments LTD. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price VINCI Partners Investments LTD and subcategory companies. We will see that over 12 months the company's shares VINCI Partners Investments LTD showed a dynamics of minus 10.3%. Against price changes in the subcategory 16.9%. Market capitalization of the company VINCI Partners Investments amounts to $0.63 billion. With a market capitalization of $658 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.25 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $113 billion. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share VINCI Partners Investments in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.095%. The book value is 0.225%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $0.127 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization constitute 50.8% of the company's capital. The company's debt performance, good, 1 point. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 27.3. The subcategory average is 58.7, which is 53% lower than the subcategory average. Market price-to-earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $23 million. Future earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $56 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value-to-revenue ratio is 4.9. The average for the subcategory is 4.2, which is 17% higher than the average for the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's market value-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $130 million. Future revenues over the next 12 months are expected to be $200 million. Assessment of projected future revenue indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 17.9%, with an average in the subcategory of 7.2%. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.213%, which is 124% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $1,054,000, and in the subcategory $2,360,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee compared to the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $38,600, with an average for the subcategory, $40,200. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The company's revenue per individual employee is $215,000. In the subcategory, $558,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 1.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.6%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 48% for the company VINCI Partners Investments, whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is 50%. The company's current share price is approximately $9.79. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $12.59. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made by the help system this season. GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the securities analysis, VINCI Partners Investments Information and Reference System GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy order at $9.78 per share. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation. The company's assessment was carried out using the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 10.6. Stop loss is set at 8.96. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically at the end of the trading session on June 24, 2025, or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker STEP is a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, the second order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.